Is it time to buy or sell YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive a free price prediction and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 23rd of May, 2025, our system has ranked the YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy ETF as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.75. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, recording a gain of 0.84%. This equates to an average return of 0.42% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies in the middle of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term, and a further rise within this trend is signaled. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 15.78% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 2.21% to 39.20%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -13.30%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between -41.96% and 64.61% over the next year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price somewhere between 12.59 and 35.72. Our latest daily update for the YieldMax MSTR Option Strategy Exchange Traded Fund includes the headline: YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund upgraded to sell candidate. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund price increased by 0.84% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 27th of May, 2025, rising from $21.52 to $21.70. During this trading day, the exchange-traded fund fluctuated by 4.19%, with a low of $21.24 and a high of $22.13. The price has been quite volatile during this period, resulting in a loss of 5.9% over the last 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 3 million shares, with a total of 15 million shares being traded for approximately $331,099,000. It's important to consider that falling volume coupled with rising prices can indicate divergence, which may signal potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the exchange-traded fund was $46.50, while the lowest price was $17.10. Currently, the price stands at 53.33%, or $24.80, below the 52-week high of $46.50, which also represents the all-time high for this exchange-traded fund. MSTY, the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange Traded Fund, is making headlines as it offers a remarkable 140% trailing 12-month yield, capitalizing on Bitcoin's volatility through advanced options trading. This high yield presents an attractive opportunity for income-focused investors, particularly amid a more favorable regulatory climate under the current administration, which could bolster investor confidence in cryptocurrencies. However, while MSTY strategy may generate substantial income, it comes with inherent risks. Despite recent upgrades to its fund structure aimed at improving payouts, investors must remain vigilant about potential net asset value erosion and significant downside risks stemming from market volatility. The exchange-traded fund has underperformed relative to its Bitcoin-linked counterpart, MSTR, and continues to expose investors to sharp drawdowns. In the short term, the enticing yield could drive interest, potentially elevating MSTY stock price as investors seek high-income opportunities. In the long run, however, the sustainability of this income amid fluctuating Bitcoin prices remains in question. If Bitcoin stabilizes or faces downward pressure, the income-generating mechanisms of MSTY may falter, leading to possible declines in stock value. Thus, while the initial appeal is strong, investors should weigh the potential for high returns against the risk of diminished long-term performance as cryptocurrency markets evolve. The following signals have been identified for YieldMax MSTR Optionum Strategy ETF. Volume decreased during the last trading day, even as prices increased. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may serve as an early warning sign. It is advisable to monitor the ETF closely. Additionally, some negative signals have emerged, which may impact its short-term performance. The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF currently presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook for the ETF. Should there be upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels $22.82 and $22.53. A breakout above either of these levels would generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, the 2nd of May, 2025, and the ETF has since declined by 13.68%. Further declines are likely until a new bottom pivot is established. Moreover, there is presently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, known as NACD. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots signaled a sell opportunity 17 days ago. Bollinger Bands prompted a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 5 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages presented a buy signal 26 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can observe the short moving average provided a buy signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages offered a buy signal 86 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy ETF. YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy finds support from accumulated volume at $21.52. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average movements throughout the day, and with healthy trading volume, the risk is deemed to be medium. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by 89 cents between its high and low, or 4.19%. In the past week, the ETF has exhibited a daily average volatility of 4.69%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the YieldMax MSTR Optionum Strategy ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for the YieldMax MSTR Optionum Strategy ETF is at $23.52. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a key point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, the YieldMax MSTR Optionum Strategy ETF encounters its first support level, that $21.52. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop loss has been established. Is YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund a good investment? The YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund holds several negative indicators. Despite a recent positive trend, we anticipate that the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy will perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we have updated our evaluation of this exchange-traded fund from a strong sell to a sell recommendation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 28th of May, we expect the YieldMax MSTR Option Income Strategy Exchange-Traded Fund to open lower by 1 cent and begin trading at $21.69. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.